Alright, for day 4 notes, we have something called deductive reasoning. And there are 2 laws that we will talk about with deductive reasoning. The first one is the law of syllogism, and the second one on the next page is called the law of detachment. Okay, right there. Okay, so I'm going to go through with you just what is deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is logic reasoning. Logical. The process of reasoning logically from given statements or facts to a conclusion. So the first one is called the law of syllogism. This one allows you to state a conclusion from 2 true conditional statements when the conclusion of one statement is the hypothesis of the statements. There shouldn't be an S there. Okay, so let's just look at an example. Alright, so first it says, if it is July, then you are on summer vacation. If you are on summer vacation, then you work at a smoothie shop. So if you notice, the then and the if are the same thing. And so it's like they pretty much cancel themselves out, and then you're left with, if it is July, then you work at a smoothie shop. So that's the conclusion that can be, sorry about that. That's the conclusion that can be made from this example. So if I look at these examples down here below, A, B, C, D, I want to know which ones are the law of syllogism. And if they are the law, I need a conclusion. If they are not, we're just going to write not valid. Okay? So, first of all, I'm going to look here. If a number is divisible by 12, then it is divisible by 6. Okay, now, is that the first statement here? If a number is divisible by 6, it is. Then it is divisible by 3. Alright, so then we're going to write this remaining if and then to make our new conclusion. So if a number is divisible by 12, then it is divisible by 3. Okay. So in part B, if a quadrilateral is a square, then it is a rectangle. If the quadrilateral is a rectangle, okay, so that's the same thing again, then it has 4 right angles. So yes, this is valid. This is the law of syllogism. So I can say if a quadrilateral is a square, then it has 4 right angles. I am writing a little fast only because I have so much time on video, but again, you can always check this out on the PDF file. Alright, so if it is sunny this weekend, then you will go boating. If it is sunny this weekend, then you will wear shorts. Well, obviously this if is not this then. It's just a repeat of the if there. So that's not going to work. So for this one, we're going to write not valid. Cannot do it. Alright, in letter D, if a figure is a square, then the figure is a rectangle. If a figure is a rectangle, then the figure has 4 sides. Alright, so this repeated, the then and the if, so we have a new conclusion. If a figure is a square, then the figure has 4 sides. So if a figure is a square, then the figure has 4 sides. You could have wrote, then it has 4 sides.